Mission update. We've been moved in a position where we have to go. So we're going to anchor. We've added an LED light that needs power. Solar panels that need to be connected to the controller downstairs. Sails have to be raised manually, and the roller furler doesn't seem to work because of something, a coupling I must have not done right when I took the mast down. So most likely that's gonna have to come down again and eventually back up. So since then I have way better rigging. I'm just gonna figure out if I want stanchions and where do I want them, and rig that better. Without stanchions it seems to wobble a lot. That camera is gonna help me navigate. It turns on with the navigation lights. And such will this guy is on the radar, together with the homemade light and a solar panel added on top of it. Eventually I'm gonna mold it on. Right now I just put tape on top of it. Coming around, there's the new idea how to mount the steering onto the boat. And the new idea, or the compensation for the system, how the system will work hydraulically in the back to generate power, will be by the use of tanks in which I'll store hydraulic fluid and empty it depending on the buoyancy that it needs to achieve to generate power. So if it needs to empty it, then it will empty into the other tank, and then the other tank would be pressurized, and the other tank would put pressure on this tank and stabilize the boat. So this system will take quite a bit of help, and will be fun. Much love.